Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you one simple trick on how you could actually make your skin, your face especially, glow, shine bright like a diamond. This is no jokes. I am serious. This particular skin remedy works because I've already tried it on myself, and it is with pleasure that I am sharing the simple tip with you. Okay, and if today is your first time of seeing me, you're welcome, and if today isn't your first time, you're also welcome as well. Please do well to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and when you do not forget to click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button, so that you will always be notified anytime a new and interesting video drops on this channel. And if you have further questions, please endeavor to do that in the comment section down below. I really want to hear from you. And if you want to see more about my lifestyle, please do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Let me show you what this process is all about, because I know you are eager to see it. We're gonna be using the aloe vera, and aloe vera is very helpful when it comes to skin, hair. I mean, it has numerous benefits. It's an all-round plant. So this one, you see, it is fresh, so I just harvested it from my garden. I have an aloe vera plant, aloe vera garden, where I use them for my hair, and I also use them for my skin as well. So aloe vera contains a lot of helpful benefits for the skin, for the hair, for the whole body, because you could also consume it as well. Applying aloe vera to your skin will give you that radiant and glowing look that I know that is what you are actually craving for. Using is an egg, tighten pores, and also help glow the skin. I'm going to be using is my rice powder. Rice has numerous benefits when it comes to the skin, because it's actually going to help exfoliate your skin and bring out that fresh skin that you are looking for. You know, exfoliating your skin will reveal your glowy on your natural skin, and you're gonna look glowy and bright. Okay, I'm gonna be breaking the egg. So since I'm going to use only the egg white for this process, I'm just going to separate it. Okay, so let me get the egg white only. Okay, so I'm taking half a teaspoon of the rice water and of the rice powder. So I'm gonna go in. I just added my rice powder to it, so just gonna add a little more of the rice powder. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to get the aloe vera gel. It's always advisable to do the aloe vera gel the last, because your hands is actually going to be very, let me get this out of the way. So your hand is actually going to be very slippery if you go in with the aloe vera gel first. Okay, cutting this out, I'm gonna be using my knife to get the aloe vera gel. So you could see I have everything in here. See what I said? If you start with the aloe vera, you might not be able to go in with the rest of the process. So I'll quickly clean my hands so that we can continue. I mean everything. So if you are making plenty, you could actually put this in a blender, or just patiently do it the way I am doing it. It is still the same thing. So you could see, I don't know, can you see? Hey. Fixing the whole thing, I'm just gonna show you how you're going to apply it on your face using my hand to show you. Okay, so I told you guys, so you're just going to massage it onto your face like this in a circular motion. I can feel the rice. So the rice is actually going to help you exfoliate your skin, like I told you earlier. But before you do this on your face, ensure that you actually use the warm water to wash your face, or with a warm cloth, so that it will open up your pores for this treatment to penetrate deep into your skin. Okay, so you're just gonna scrub it in a circular motion. Okay, so I actually have some left, and I'm gonna leave this one in the fridge. So when you're done scrubbing your face in a circular motion like this, you can just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and allow it to dry a little. Then you're just gonna use the warm water, I said it, warm water, to rinse it off. And when you rinse it off with the warm water, you're just gonna feel how soft your face is gonna look. Okay, this video interesting, informative, helpful in any way, please do not forget to give your girl a like. Click the like button, leave your comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button, so that you will always be among the first to be notified anytime a new and interesting video drops on this channel. Because you know what, girl, guy, I drop new and interesting video on this channel every day, and it is just for you. Okay, until another time when I come your way, my name is Francis. Bye.